DHEST Minister Phila Niningi said IBS's efforts in education is acknowledged, but proper procedures must be followed to ensure quality of education in the country is not compromised. He said the department is ready to make preparations for IBS University to regain university status by applying.
We believe in quality education. Standard they must follow certain procedures prescribed in the legislation.
IBSU now will have to make efforts to get registered as a university. Minister Niningi said he has directed his secretary, Father Jan, to write to IBS expressing its support to assist IBS. The letter was written to IBS yesterday.
Ethically, IBS management was dishonest with parents and students, telling them that we are university when they knew they are not, because we provide evidence. Previously, 2 ministers wrote to them, they are not. I was the chairman of the Higher Education Technical Board. We wrote to them, we are not university. Previous chairman, Mr. Simon Kanahe, was chairman for Commission of Higher Education. He wrote to them, they are not university. So they had enough correspondence and evidence from different bodies and 2 ministers telling them.
Minister Niningi says all the 50-plus higher education institutions under the Department of Higher Education will be given 3 months to recheck its status and reapply for registration if the need be, or face a penalty of 250,000 and be forced to shut down. He says this is to keep higher learning institutions on par with world standards.
The call is in IBS management and the owner, because there's only one person who owns the institution, to be honest with the students, parents, and us as a government, to do the right things, as Minister said, follow our procedures. And we are here to help them. If they work hard, and because we are committed to help them.
Father Jan stressed that parents and students have been forewarned about the IBS University status but had gone ahead to register. He said as the department responsible for higher education, they cannot assist the IBSU registered students to move to other higher learning institutions in the country, as schools have already met their quota for the year. However, he said IBSU must take responsibility by applying for accreditation for the sake of its students. IBS University's Vice-Chancellor Edward Silva, when asked to comment on IBSU's next step after the court decision, Mr. Silva said the university will seek legal advice before making a statement. Nonetheless, he stated that people of Papua New Guinea should feel about the life and future of innocent students at IBS University and also the entire higher education system in PNG. Stacey Yallo, National, EMTV News.